Hey there folks, Tim Slade here from the eLearning Designers Academy. One of the many challenges a lot of folks have when it comes to building their instructional design and e-learning development skills and creating samples of work for their portfolios is having the opportunity to practice working on real-world projects in a practical way. And some folks have success picking their own topics for creating projects and building samples of work from those topics. However, for a lot of folks, crafting the right topic and figuring out how to design a whole course around that topic is too much of a hurdle in and of itself. And so I decided I wanted to find a way to fix this to help you put your skills into practice and build samples of work for your portfolio without the stress and uncertainty that comes with picking your own topic. And so with that in mind, I'm so excited to share that we're going to accomplish this inside the eLearning Designers Academy by introducing our monthly design challenges. So here's how they'll work. Each month, we'll issue a new challenge, which will provide you with a real-world topic and prompt based on a hypothetical company. And as part of the challenge, you'll be tasked with designing and developing a complete e-learning course to solve a specific learning outcome. Now, that sounds pretty simple, but it doesn't end there, because one of the other struggles that I know a lot of folks deal with when creating their own sample projects is navigating the visual design aspects of e-learning development. And you know what? The truth is, in the real world, instructional designers and e-learning developers rarely have complete creative freedom to design their courses however they want. More often than not, you have to follow some sort of style guide to adhere to your organization's brand standards. And so we decided to incorporate that as well. Along with the prompt for each month's challenge, you'll also be provided a style guide and brand assets for the hypothetical company, which will provide guidance on their use of colors, fonts, logos, and much more. And the goal here is to provide some creative constraints while still allowing you the freedom to design something that's unique to you. Now, the final part is the best part. The truth is, a good challenge is only as good as the reward it offers. And so, at the end of each month, we'll review all of the submissions, pick the person who best accomplished the challenge, and issue them a $100 Amazon gift card. And then we'll repeat that each month. So that's our new monthly design challenges and how they'll work. And the great thing is, beyond giving you the opportunity to put your skills into practice and build real-world projects for your portfolio and maybe win a little something on the side, as each month goes by, we'll be creating a growing library of sample project topics for you and others to pick from as you continue growing your skills and, of course, building your portfolio. So if you'd like to learn more about and participate in our monthly design challenges inside the eLearning Designers Academy, check out the information down below. Otherwise, I hope to see you inside the challenges. I'll see you around.